Hi guys, I wanted to come here and just give you more details on this box because I absolutely love this little DIY that I did out of fence picket. So what was I gonna say? So I have three things to go ahead and that I wanted to throw in here, which are the measurements. I'm gonna just give you the measurement of the base, which is just the box itself, which is this one and this one. All four of those sizes, you guys, this and this, are 16 inches tall. Either way that you look at it, because this, you're gonna be looking at this differently than this one because this is taller, obviously. But you're gonna cut them 16 inches long, and then you obviously gonna flip this around, so it's gonna give you the different measurements here. But this ones are gonna stay up high like that, so it's gonna be 16 inches tall, and this one's gonna be 16 inches long. Hopefully I'm making sense to you. You did saw actually on the video how I did this little curve here. I had like a tool thingy in my garage, so all I did was put it in the middle and then just draw the line here, and then I used a ruler to just create the rest of the line, and then I went ahead and cut it and I sanded off. So that's what I did. Okay, so those are the measurements. So now that I gave you the measurements, I'm gonna go ahead and jump to the little additions that I made. I went ahead and just cut these little pieces so I can go ahead and have that option if I want to divide whatever I'm gonna put in here. I went ahead and created the bottom there because I have this mason jars. So if I were to put 3 mason jars in there and pick this bad boy up, I would want the mason jar to stay in there, not just fall, you know, or stay on the ground. And then that's what I did. That's why I did the little thing in the bottom. Now the handle, I had a piece of wood in the garage, so all I did was measured it from here to here and then just cut the measurement that it gave me. I am gonna sand it though a little bit more because over here it's a little bit roundish and over here is still a little bit of, you know, squarish, so I'm gonna go ahead and sand it. Those are the additions that I made. Now here are the changes that I made. On the little clip that you saw at the beginning, you saw that this piece of wood, I had it outside of the base, like outside of this one. I went ahead and did it like that, and I didn't like it, as well as I only had one bracket in the middle. I didn't like it at all. So what I ended up changing my mind was taking it all apart and placing this piece of wood on the inside. So let me show you real quick in a little example here. Let's say I had let's say this piece was this, okay? What I had done in that video was, on the little clip that you saw earlier, I had placed the wood like this. So it was outside of this, not in the inside, okay? It was not like that, it was like that. And the bracket was in the middle. So those are the changes that I made, which was me putting this little piece of wood on the inside and adding one more of the bracket, so it would equals to 2 of those in there. And then the box was much sturdier, and now it looks way better than what I had done it the first time. So I really love this box. I actually wanted something like this, but my luck of coming across to it wasn't going to be anytime soon, so I went ahead and did one myself. Now what I ended up doing was I actually found the mason jars, the ball mason jars from Dollar Tree, the huge ones, and I'm so happy I did. I picked up 4. So what I did here was just putting them in this toolbox like that, okay? And then I picked up some of this, I had it already, but I got it out of my office and just placed it. Oops, I placed it right there on the inside of the mason jars, and I really love this look. Okay, how pretty does that look? Now my intentions were not to put the mason jars in there. My intentions were just to fill it up with flowers and maybe like a hanging you know, flower here or something like that. But I had put this thing on my office, and then I saw the mason jars, so I was like, let me put the mason jars, see how they look in there. And I actually really like it like that. What do you guys think? I have these yellow ones too, but I don't know what I'm gonna end up doing. You guys, pickets, you guys, are not that expensive at all, so I'm pretty sure you'll probably need about 2, which the cheapest one probably $1, the cheapest fence. I did want to actually show you real quick here on this little screw that I put in here. I went ahead and created a hole first, and then I inserted the screw, because if you do the opposite, if you put the screw in like that, you are gonna crack the wood, whether it is this one or this one. So just that little tip that I wanted to go ahead and show you. I didn't do no holes on these ones because this little screws are small, so it was not gonna cause any big damages. So that's what I did, and I really love this little project that I did. So I really do hope that you liked it as well. If you did, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, you guys. And as always, I hope to see you guys on the next one. Bye.